Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's, I guess, I don't know what I'm gonna be calling myself. It's my first YouTube video. In today's video, we're just gonna be doing shotgun only challenge. If you like the video, hit it with a like and comment what I should do next. Enjoy the video. It's gonna be hours of gameplay that I'm just gonna cut down to like 2 minutes. It's either gonna be a highlight video or just the challenge video. And I can't use that. Give me a damn shotgun, please. There's no specific reason I want to do this challenge. I just want to do this challenge so I have something to do for my first video. Woo! I need a shotgun. Epic! 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 This is epic! This is epic! Oh, we got it! We got it! We got it! Shotgun! 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 I never said I couldn't use grenades. If it's a weapon, it has to be a shotgun. Technically, it's a weapon, but I want to be able to at least to be able to use.
You want.
Okay, we actually got a kill. I did not see that coming, and I have one shot left.
Few inches later.
Give me your loot! I know those are bots, but still, I kinda had trouble doing it. Don't ask me why. So, we're gonna have to jump on some. That's the only means I'm going to freaking box and loot. Okay then. What's that? Hey. Check this out. Yummy loot. I can't have. Knock them. Hey, last I checked, Sky's grapple isn't a gun.
Knowledge.
Okay. Can I get the shotgun, please?
No.
And take Should we go down there? I'm going towards him. Yes. I should have put like a kill thing, like, oh, I have to get this amount of kills to win the challenge, but I'm kind of popping off. Taking him down. last guy. Sorry for no outro. All I wanted to say in that outro was if you liked the video, hit it with a like and comment to see what I should do next.
なんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら心は進化するよもっともっとテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレテレパンパン